Welcome back everyone to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 1957 Lancia Aurelia finished in Azzurro Agano-Celeste. Hop in, we'll take it for a ride, but first we'll do a little walk around and talk about the car. Alright, here we are with the Aurelia. It's obviously a beautiful car that's been well restored, 422 miles on the restoration since 2020. Just wanted to walk around the car because this is a bit of an odd piece. They're not everywhere. Take a look inside. You can see 422 miles on the clock. We have the beautiful dark blue, light blue painted dashboard, chrome ashtrays, a dark blue leather interior with gray cloth seats, front, rear. There's room for your passengers, comfortable, fantastic seating position. Heading over to the trunk, got a nifty quirk, opening it, hidden door handle. Pick it up. Latch. Have the full-size spare tire back there. Hidden fuel filler. Obviously beautifully restored. This car was found in a barn in Pennsylvania. There's photos of that on the listing. In the front, we have a 2.5-liter V6 producing 112 horsepower, which feels like a lot in something like this. Cool latch system. Take a look at that. So now what do you say we hop in, we'll go and we'll take it for a drive. All right, now here we are in the Lancia. We'll go ahead and start it up. Push button start, fires first try. It's been cold, sitting out all morning. Go ahead, take it for a drive. All right, driving the Lancia, I'm thoroughly impressed by this thing. It has 2.5 liters, so that's the big engine in this car, producing 112 horsepower, paired to a 4-speed manual. Obviously, everything is all recently serviced. It has 424 miles on the restoration now. And 112 horsepower feels like plenty of power in this thing. Lightweight, there's not much to it. The shifter is very tight, there's no play. The brakes, 4-wheel drums, brake straight. Tack works, speedo works. So this car was sold new to its original owner in 1957 in Rhode Island, where it eventually made its way to New Jersey, Pennsylvania area. It lived most of its life there until around 1979, the late 70s, where it was parked in a barn and not really used at all until 2014 when it was found. It was a true barn find, at which point Bonham sold it to Europe. It was restored in Europe, sold a couple times there, and eventually sold back to the US at a Broad Arrow auction in 2023. here, driving this beautiful Lancia on a lovely full day on Long Island. At speed, the Lancia is very comfortable, a true grand touring car, eligible in multiple rallies, including the Mille Mille. Come up here, do a couple flybys, and be back to you. I hope you enjoyed those flybys. I certainly did in here. It's a joy to look out over that light blue hood, beautiful painted dash, plethora of quite pretty gauges mounted in the dash, Jaeger gauges, speedometer, tach, fuel gauge, oil pressure, temperature. Come up behind this Cayman here, and we'll stretch this Lancia's legs on the farm road. As you can see, it's no modern supercar, but certainly holds its own. 112 horsepower feels like quite a bit in this car. Proper gearing and whatnot. The 4-speed split case transaxle is extremely tight, very easy to shift. This car is a joy to drive. Comfortable seats, back seats for your passengers. Beautiful visibility. You can see everything from all around. It's a perfect rally car, and this car is eligible for the world's most prestigious rallies, including the Mille Mille. Perfect car to do that in. Very easy to drive, very easy to downshift, upshift, smooth, comfortable, very unique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. This car is a joy to drive, and I hope to spend some more time in it soon, but it is for the taking if one of you decide that this Lancia belongs in your garage. Take care, have a good day. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.